Hi friends, welcome back to N1 N2 tutorial. I'm N2. Please subscribe our channel before starting the video. This is tense part 3 and in our previous videos we learned about tense, forms and kinds of tense and about simple form of tense. Now we are going to learn about the continuous form of present, past and future tense. So friends, let's start. What is present continuous tense? The actions which are happening now and at the time of speaking are called present continuous tense. So, the action which are happening now, they are taking place now and they are taking place at the time of speaking. When we are speaking, they are taking place, these actions, and it is known as present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use is or are or am plus ing form of the verb. And let me tell you, ing tells us that the action is continuous. It is continuing. Now, for example, number 1, they are running to catch the train. The word are is necessary to use, and if we say they are run to catch the train does not make any sense. And if we say they are running to catch the train makes sense. So the word ing is compulsory to add. Number 2, he is singing melodiously. So the word singing tells us over here that it is a present continuous sentence. Now, let's move on to past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Now, you may be thinking, what am I teaching? You have already understood what is present continuous tense, but not what is past continuous tense. So, the actions which were going on in the past are known as past continuous tense. That means they were continuing, they were happening in the past, and they were continuing. So it tells us that it is past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use was or were plus ing form of the verb. For example, number 1, they were running to catch the train. We have to use the word were, and as we use the word is and are in present continuous tense, in past continuous tense we will use was and were. So, they were running to catch the train. They were run to catch the train will not make any sense. So, it is very important to add the word ing. Number 2, he was singing melodiously. Now, what is future continuous tense? The action which will take place in the future and will continue for some time is known as future continuous tense. That means the action has not happened right now and it is not happening now. It will happen. It will take place in future and will continue. It will not stop. It will continue for some time. So this will tell us that that this sentence is future continuous, that it is future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, we use shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. So, here in present continuous tense, we will use is or are or am plus ing. In past continuous tense, we will use was, were plus ing. And here in future continuous, we will use shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. So over here the word be will also be used. This is an extra word, but we have to use it here as well. For example, number 1, they will be running on Wednesday. So the word will be running tells us that this sentence over here is future continuous. Number 2, he will be singing. So if we say he will singing or he will be sing, does not make any sense. So don't do a mistake over here. It will be he will be singing. Okay? Or it will be he shall be singing. So friends, here the word run tells us that it is a verb. The verb over here is run plus ing is necessary. Number 2 over here, the verb is sing plus we have to add ing. Similarly, here in all these sentences, we have to add it to. Please click on the white tag above to learn the usage of will and shall. Please like and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon to receive latest updates from N1 N2 tutorial. Thanks for watching.